In today's video, I'll show you how to check whether your message has been read in Microsoft Teams. This feature is especially useful when you're collaborating on a project or waiting for a response and want to know if the other person has already seen your message. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can use either the desktop app or the mobile app, since the steps work almost the same on both. Sign in using your work or organizational account so you can access your chats and message history. Once you're logged in, go to the chat section. On desktop, you'll find it on the left-hand sidebar. On mobile, it's usually located at the bottom of the screen. This area shows all your recent conversations in one place. Next, scroll through your chats and open the conversation you want to check. Make sure you select the correct chat so you're reviewing the right message. Now, look closely at the most recent message you sent. Right next to it, you'll see a small status indicator. If the message shows as read, that means the recipient has already opened and seen your message. If it shows a different status, such as delivered, it means the message has reached the recipient but hasn't been opened yet. This simple indicator helps you decide when to follow up or gives you confidence knowing your message has already been seen. And that's it. With this quick check, you can stay on top of your conversations and manage your communication more effectively in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.